Oh, I didn't film anything. How silly. I wasn't filming. Let's do it again. Oh, Mama's so silly. She wasn't filming anything. Look, Amy is eating. Sophie is feeding her lechosa cream. Is that right?
Yeah. I'm feeding her lechosa cream.
She's super happy. Today's 1st of April. It's the first time Sophie feeds her sister. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Amy, are you happy? Amy, look here.
Look there.
She seems very happy. Oh, yes.
Come on, Next. Don't mind me.